Edge trimming. Trimming edges of mats that are too long is often necessary but very simple to do. Step 1. Measure the length of the mat that needs to be trimmed. On each side of the mat, place a small mark where the new edge should be. Step 2. Use a straight edge to connect the marks where the new edge should be and carefully make a smooth cut from one side to the other. Outlet trimming. When installing wall pads, sometimes it is necessary to cut around objects on the wall, such as outlets, for a proper fit. It is important to do any trimming before any adhesive is applied to the wall or the wall pad. Step 1. Measure the exact location of the object on the wall. Be sure to measure how high the object is, how far from the edge of the wall pad it will be, and the exact size of the object. Step 2. Using the measurements you just took, place marks on the wall pad where it should be cut to fit around the object. Step 3. Lay the wall pad down and carefully cut out only the section that needs to be removed. Pop out the unwanted portion of the mat. Step 4. Before applying any adhesive, stand the mat up against the wall to make sure the cut is the correct size for the object.